Hello guys and welcome to the Wise Ways channel. In today's episode you will watch all kinds of encounters that drivers recorded on dashcam. All clips used in this episode are for educational purposes only. This pickup truck driver was stealing fuel. He got blocked by the truck and, in desperate need to get away, he only had one exit left, through the fence.
There's a good chance you didn't. I guess by 40 you would have. But you think about the time, how life was different for a housewife back then. She had to cook every meal. She had to clean every meal. There was no
This driver almost makes an accident by cutting off everyone on the highway.
We'll get you again. Look at this idiot. Jesus. Look at that.
On the other side of the road, look.
Jesus.
Idiot! Oh, sorry, Jack. Jesus Christ.
And this is why you should adjust your driving to the road conditions.
Trial.
You know what, honey? I just realized that you're never going to make anybody happy.
Oh, my now. I didn't even
And
see
he's
him.
running. He's not coming back.
He did too.
After hitting parked vehicle, this driver fled the scene.
Whoa!
Driver who attempted to make a left turn on late yellow light was cited for the failure to yield, and later that ticket was dismissed. The other driver was cited for the same incident after dashcam video was submitted to police.
practice anything in Canada, they have to pass. They have to get it. Ah!
This driver got rear-ended on the highway after car behind him didn't saw him slowing down. Unfortunately, car was totaled.
For I-20 East, Ralph David Abernathy Freeway toward Atlanta.
Submitted to another polygraph exam. This one also administered by the OSBI agent Rusty Featherstone.
This driver got T-boned after distracted driver ran a red light.
God damn it!
U-turn went horribly wrong for this trucker. He got stuck in Sandy Bar ditch. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below on which clip you like the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.